below guys. So how to create a nested for loop tutorial. But before we get to the tutorial, what is a nested loop? A nested loop is a loop within a loop, an inner loop within the body of an outer one. How this works is that the first pass of the outer loop triggers the inner loop, which executes to completion. Then the second pass of the outer loop triggers the inner loop again. This repeats until the outer loop finishes. Now that we know what a nested loop is, let's go on to the program. This will be our desired output. To start off, I will open the Netbeans application and create a new project. And then I will click the Java application and name it to for loop 2. You can name it to whatever you want, but I prefer for loop 2. So after we create a new project, as you can see there are unnecessary data. You can either erase them or rename them. It's just optional, but you can put your name and the date on the upper corner like this. Moving on, we start all rows. Since we have 5 rows, I will input it by typing int rows equals 5. Don't forget to put the semicolon at the end of each declaration. Then now, I will start the for loop by typing for, then L will initialize the variable I, then equals it to 1, then place a semicolon. After that, we'll type the statement I is less than or equal to row semicolon, then add the iterator plus I. We will all enclose them with parentheses. So now we will move on to our inner loop. Because as we all know, nested loop is a loop within a loop. So for our inner loop, we must again type for, int j equals 1 semicolon. J less than or equal to I semicolon. Then add the iterator plus j, then again, enclose it with parentheses. So from there, we'll put a system.out.print for the inner loop. And input j plus the output you want to show. And enclosed it with open and close parenthesis and end it with a semicolon. Lastly, put a system.out.println for the outer loop. You must enclose an open and close quotation marks and an open and close parenthesis and end it with a semicolon. Now we are already done. Just check the curly braces for possible errors. And we will now achieve our desired output. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot in this tutorial.